How to delete all voicemails on Android phone. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how, you may follow up this step. So you may first of all go ahead and open up the phone app. And after going over here, tap on the three dot at the top and head over to settings. After that, here you should be finding an option called voicemail. Tap on it. And here you should be finding your voicemail number. So what you can do is tap on voicemail number, and then you may remove your voicemail number and click on OK, and voicemail number should be set on nil. After that, what you can do is you may long press on your phone app and head over the info section at the top, and after going over there, scroll down, go over to storage, and here you should be finding clear cache. Try doing that. Otherwise, also you may try clearing your data. And that's it. So that is how you basically delete all voicemails on Android phone. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.